This is another glass railing job by Golden Gate Enterprises. I wanted to show you a nice trapezoid piece there that goes in on the stair rail that we typically put in, which is really nice. So you can see what that looks like. And sorry the deck's not clean, but you can see the nice, this is a sandalwood deck on an Ipe deck, sandalwood glass railing. And we'll take a look over here at the actual finished railing from the side, and if we come over here we will see the nice beautiful finished railing. Okay, so that's Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises, with another beautiful glass railing system. We service the entire San Francisco Bay Area. We do plans, permits, engineering, deck repairs, deck construction. We're licensed general contractors, fully licensed, bonded, and insured. We work in all counties throughout the San Francisco Bay Area, from San Francisco all the way down to Monterey, the whole East Bay, the whole peninsula, San Bruno, Belmont, South San Francisco, San Mateo, the whole peninsula area, of course, in the East Bay, Contra Costa, and Alameda counties. So this is Paul Gordon, Golden Gate Enterprises, your San Francisco Bay Area general contractor. Give us a call. Thanks. 510-909-8552, 510-909-8552, and our website is www.bayareacontractor.com. That's bayareacontractor.com for your glass railing specialist and all of your construction needs. Thank you.